Hello. I am fishing right now. My dad just went to go get my mom because a lot of people were here actually because I feel like a lot of people camped out, so they already had spots because it's Sunday, you know. And sorry about the lighting. Yeah, my dad went to go get my mom. We went to because we got an okay spot, but it wasn't really like the water wasn't deep at all for fishing. So it was it's a very nice area, beautiful trees. I mean, the whole area is nice. Um, but the water wasn't shallow, so we crossed the river, just walking, and then me and my dad went to go look if it looked worth it or not, and it looks good. There's like water coming from there, water coming from there, water going over there and there and there. Yeah, it's like a good, cool intersection. And yeah, we just came here because for my dad's birthday, basically, even though it passed, but this is his like day off from work, you know. So it's like just he likes to be up in nature, and I do too. But it is tiring because we do drive out. Did I just get a fish? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where'd it go? I pulled too soon, I think. Oh my god, I felt the fish. I've never actually caught one myself. I've only seen my dad catch them. That is insane. I have to catch one now. Oh, I already got the... Oh my god. I'm not mad that I didn't catch it. Because even the fact that it took my bait... Okay. That was pretty sick. Dude, I was so shook. I felt it pull and I was like... I think I did it too soon and I didn't wait till it bit full on. I guess. You guys, check this place out. It's nice. It looks really pretty over there. But yeah, we came for my dad's birthday to celebrate it. It's his day off, and yeah, we're just gonna relax. My boyfriend was supposed to come, but he was too tired. You know, people work. It's okay. And he came last time we came, which wasn't that long ago. So it's okay. Ooh, they're coming. I'm gonna say bye because I'm nervous to vlog in front of them. Look how messy they left it. It's so messy everywhere. It's so sad. My dad's got the trash bag though. He got this. qué tienen en eso?
Blood.
Ew, both of them.
Uy, me pareció tu video. ¡Y! Le pegué una patada a tu video. Ahí está.
Yes. Pop-Tarts. Spending every dollar at the liquor shop. And even though I know I haven't got a lot, I swear I'll give you love until. That's just stuck in my head. Oh. Keep getting my string. Yeah. Oh.
Small one, uno chiquito, muy chiquito.
Oh.
Wait for you. I will put him back.
Oh. Es que está chiquito.
Un chiquito, pedazo de dragón. Chiquitito. Va para atrás. No, wait.
I'm just confused, I guess. I'll put my chair up so you see me. I have my chair here and I brought a pillow. But yeah, I just need to chill in a comfy chair. Get some Sunny D. That hit. My back is the only thing that's been killing me because I guess like it's just like standing for too long hurts my back. But I have a pillow, I can sleep. But I wanted to talk to you guys first. I did do some drawing, but it wasn't. I was mostly like working on like I only have like 4 drawings in the book I brought because I really like it. I think it's just like if I'm gonna, because sometimes I do like to do art outside and it's just like the perfect little art book, but yeah, I don't really have that much impressive stuff in here. I have some like watercolored, like just like practicing different techniques. It's a butterfly. Some I like these flowers and I don't like these, but I like these ones. This is just a block I was trying to do. This one I underlined, which I shouldn't have done. I should have kept it soft like these ones. These 2 are good. I like some of this page. This is the painting I did do outside. I'm pretty sure I used paint. Yeah, I for sure did. That's her. She's cute. She's cute. I was really into making humans, like portrait pictures, but in different colors, because I have a painting in my room that's like this green girl, and it's like monochromatic. I think I was going for monochromatic, and then I did the background purple, which I shouldn't have done. I'll be honest with myself, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done the... Because I know her lips are even mixed with yellow, like... I shouldn't have done that. It's okay though. It's like, I think they contrast each other. So... Next page. This one I kind of fixed up right now. Because before she had... Her eyes just weren't doing it for me. So her eyes do look better now. Her mouth's not really doing it for me. maybe I'll go in to add more like dimension in the mouth. And then this line was already on the page. I just ignored it and continued my art. So I just thought I just darkened it more. And then the bottom, I think it's cool. There's a flower coming out of her head. I'm not mad at it. It's just for fun, you know? Then this one is like she's interesting for sure. Gives me like what's her name from Kim Possible? I was literally dressed like Chiva or something. I literally dressed as her last Halloween. Like, who do I think I am? That would look better with the eyelashes, but that's scary. And then I was trying to start a new drawing. And this eye went really good. And then this eye, if you see the eyelashes, it's just not working out. So I kind of gave up on that. But yeah. And then I was like, because my parents were in the water, and I was just sitting there drawing, and then I was like, you know what, this drawing's not going well. So I'm gonna go in the water, you know? But yeah, like, it's still noon. Like, it's not even, like, 12 yet, which is fucking crazy. Okay, well, I've been talking for a while. There, the start to some eyes, and I'm actually gonna lay down now. I've been talking for a while to you guys, but I just wanted to update you guys that I am having fun and I am tired. And my parents don't mind if I just take a little nap, so that's what I'm gonna do. Goodbye. And I'm gonna drink the rest of my juice. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.